Namaste and welcome to day 4. Let's get seated in a comfortable position. Eyes closed, shoulders relax. Staying here with the sound of the waves. Join your palms at heart center. Let's chant Om sound after the next inhalation. Inhale. Have a simple intention for this beautiful day, this beautiful practice. Gently relax your hands. Take your time to open your eyes. Let's start with standing for today's practice. Yes, open your legs wide. We'll come into an open wide stance. We'll take your both arms to the side and take your right arm up, left arm down, and stretch it to the left side. Let the body go as much as you can, and then take your arm up and pull yourself up and down at the same time. Both the legs are facing to the front. You can also add looking at your palms. Slowly come back up. We take your right arm down, left arm to the diagonal corner, and slowly lift up, pulling your arms down, other arm up, and stay. Slowly coming back up. Take your arms at your waist. We'll go for a big hip rotation, big hip rolls. Try to let your body move as you do these hip rolls. So I'm taking my chest down and back. It's a full body hip roll. And reverse the direction. We'll go towards the right side, keeping the chest, hip and leg in one line, and squeeze both the glutes. And just stay here. Slowly come back up. You might have felt a little stretch on the inner thighs. That's where we feel it. You take it on the side, squeeze the glutes, and just stay here. Slowly come back up. We turn out the legs, facing legs pointing to the side. We'll just bend the knees, go down, pushing the knees back as much as you can. The idea is to not open your toes too much. It's somewhere in the 45 degrees, and you lower with the knees out. Stay here and come back up. Again, Kaliyasana, slowly lowering and back up. Exhale, lower, back up. Exhale, lower, back up. Exhale, lower, back up. Exhale, lower, and hold if you can, keeping your spine straight. I'm not leaning forward. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly release. Relax your arms. You can choose to go up and down. We'll do some holds, okay? So lower, shoulders back, and just breathe. Another variation is to keep your elbows on your thighs and push it back. Yes? For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. From here, just turn out the right leg, bend the left leg a little bit, and come back up. Keeping the left leg straight and back up. Straight and back up. One more time, straight and back up. Same thing on the other side, just gently opening the hips. Slowly lower and back up. Lower, back up. Lower, back up. Lower, back up. We go to the first side and go to the full version of this posture, which is Skandasana. You can choose to stay in the previous version. Just lower your legs, push the knees back, open your chest to the side, and stay here. We'll come back up. So if you're doing the previous version, you're going to stay here. We go into the full version of it, full expression of the posture, Skandasana, opening your chest to the left side. It's okay if your heels are up. That's your Skandasana today. You practice as per your capacity. We go to the first side, open the chest, push that knee back, come back up, go to the other side, push, come back up, a couple of rounds, breathing through. Yes. Last one. Coming back up with the wide legs, toes in, hands down, release the head. Just stay here. Try to relax your neck here. Put the weight on your toes. We'll try to bend the elbows and extend it. Bend, extend. Try to keep your spine as straight as you can. Extend. Bend, extend. Bend. Adding your breath. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you lift. Exhale. Inhale. I'm trying to keep my weight on my toes as I stay there. Yes, exhale. Lift up, look ahead. Stay, stay, stay. You can either slowly take your hands on your waist. I'm going to add a little challenge. I'm going to take my both arms ahead and hold here. You can keep your hands on the waist. That's also an option, this or this. Holding for 5, 4, 3, 2 from your reach up from your arms to come up. Release the hands. Get your legs together and breathe. We'll go for Tadasana from here. You'll interlock your fingers, stretch it above you as you lift your heel up. Look at one point and just breathe. Try to find that balance and release the heels. Again, lift up and release. We just do 10 ups and down. Up and down. Just like our life is always up and down, we're sailing through that, trying to find the balance. Keep pulling upwards from the toes. Keep pulling upwards from the palms. And hold. And slowly release the hands. Release the heels. Stay here and breathe. Slowly from here, we will try to lower the knees, hands straight ahead, bend the knees as much as you can, bend the knees, and then stand up. Again, lower your capacity and come up. You lower your knees and hips till you can ground your heels. Do not lift up your heels. That's amazing. Doing really amazing. If you're feeling any pain in the knee, that means you're shifting weight way too ahead. The weight should be slightly back, as if you're sitting back on a chair. Come back up. Relax. Stretch your legs. Open your palms and breathe. Open your legs 3 feet apart. Turn out the right leg. Stretch your arms to the side. Lower from the right. We go for Trikonasana. Wherever your body is today, maybe on your shin, maybe on your ankles. Just imagine not putting the weight of your hands on the leg, just being aware in the air, engage through. Inhale, come back up. Take the right toe in, left toe out. Exhale, push and breathe. And inhale back up. Toes in, relax. As you were doing this, you will notice that when you breathe and keep your body alive with your core, you will slowly find the room to go further down. So let's try that one more time. Right toe out, exhale and lower. Keep breathing and back up. Other side. Try not to keep your chest ahead. Keep it in line with your hips. That's the most important. And up. That was really lovely. Get your legs together. Spread your palms up and breathe. Slowly open your legs wide, coming down into Malasana. Yes, with the heels off or on the floor, both of them is fine. Shifting the weight left to right. Yes, from here we'll take the left arm down, right arm up to the sky. Push this knee back and stay. Breathe. You can always make this more accessible for yourself by adding something under your heel, like a block or a cushion under your heel. Slowly come back and try the other side. Drop the palms down, arms up, left arm up, right arm down, and just breathe. Keep pushing that right shoulder back, both the knees back. Slowly come back front. Push the knees out, breathe. You're doing amazing, almost there. Like I said, make this accessible for yourself. Maybe you can add something under your heel. Slowly lower. Straighten the leg to the side. Hands back. Just shake off your legs. Rotation in your ankles. Rotate your ankle. And reverse the direction. From here, just flex, point, flex, point, flex. Good. Keep the spine tall. Don't slouch into your back. Keep it tall. Slowly bring both the knees to the chest. Stay here. Long spine. Push that shoulder down and back. Relax your face muscles. This practice is yours. You're doing it for yourself. Make it the journey to relaxing it to you rather than making this a tenseful work for you. Remember why you started. Slowly, you will take your body slightly back. You will take one leg up. See if this is accessible to you. Stay here. If you want, you can add the other leg. Keep the chest up and hold. Don't slouch into your back. Try to keep your spine long. Breathe. Relax your face muscles, not on a wall. Relax it. Yes, you're doing amazing. And slowly release. Relax your legs, straighten them. Just breathe. Fold your legs. Get into a comfortable seat. Alternate nostril breathing. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, left hand in Jnana Mudra. Block your nostrils without deviating it. Just gentle blocking. Elbows relaxed. Inhale from the left. Switch, exhale from right. Inhale from right. Switch, exhale from left. Inhale from left. Switch, exhale from right. Inhale from right. Switch, exhale from left. Inhale from left. Switch, exhale. Continue this. Try and make your exhalation longer. Gently relax your hands, eyes closed, and just breathe. Observe that rest and digest mode getting activated, your parasympathetic nervous system. With your eyes closed, gently lie down on the mat without having any adjustments, without disturbing the space of your body. Once you're settled with your palms facing upwards, just lie down here and give yourself that much deserved relaxation. Thank you so much for practicing with me, and I'll see you in the next practice. Namaste.